Hey, what's up guys? Connor here at DPFXFIT. We're at our headquarters here in Whitby, Ontario, and today we wanted to show off one of our new units, the GESI-0063 for Mack Volvo. So some of you guys might have already seen it. We've switched our packaging over to more of a laydown now, and we actually included handle holds to make it easier picking them up, as well as putting the units in. All our boxes are branded DPFXFIT, and on every one we have the serial number as well as the part number and UPC code always visible on the outside of the box. This way, when you load them into your racks, you put them in there, you have your part number, your serial number, and you just pull them out when you're ready to go. So guys, let's take a look what's on the inside. So when we first open the box, we see on the top right here, we have our gasket enclosed. All of our DPFXFIT units come with clamps and gaskets included. So your graphite gasket, it's in this cardboard sleeve right here. And attention to detail has always been important to us. So right when you open the box, we have the part number and your serial number matched on the outside right here for you to see. We also have custom foam made. The foam is there to match the diameter of the filter as well as the clamp. So I can pull out the top of the foam here. See the foam, it's been custom cut to fit the DPF. Once I've done that, pull out the two clamps. Clamps that stay at the end, completely secure, divided between foam. Make sure they're touching the unit or get damaged at all in transit. And then we actually have the unit itself, which can easily slide out. There's the unit. In every DPFXFIT box, we also include a return package. In the return package, we have some instructions on how to package it, as well as a prepaid UPS label to ship back to us. Hey guys, so as I mentioned earlier, we have custom cut exact fit foam to match the outside diameter of the DPF as well as the clamp. So as you can see, we have the lower half, then the top half goes on, fits perfectly there, and the clamp drops in right there. So as you can see, there's no issue, there's no steel on steel contact, no risk for error or damage. And when you're taking it out, you take the top half off, DPF's laying flat in the bottom, you can pull it out of the box, you got your custom cut foam. So in closing, we just want to reinforce our attention to detail and quality in not only the manufacturing process, but also our packaging materials. Number one priorities, we want to make sure always that the product shows up undamaged, unharmed, and on time. And that's why we go to the extents we do here at Global Emission Systems and DPFXFIT. To learn more about our line of diesel particulate filters, as well as our growing lineup of diesel oxidation catalysts, be sure to check us out at DPFXFIT.com. You can send an order into orders@GESI.US or call us on our toll-free line anytime to get you the filter or DOC you need.